This video explains how to use call numbers to find books in the Brandel library. The Brandel library has thousands of books, and finding the exact one you need can be frustrating. Understanding and using call numbers can help. The library's books are organized first by subject, then by topic, and finally by author and date. To keep books in the right place, we use the Library of Congress call number system, also known as the LC system. It is powerful but complex. This video will explain the basics, but don't be afraid to ask us any questions you have about finding books. You will find call numbers in the library catalog and printed on the spine label of library books. You read call numbers from left to right and from top to bottom. The top line of a call number represents the broad subject of the book, such as religion, history, literature, etc. The subject line is one, or more often, two letters. The books are in alphabetical order by subject line. These books are in the correct order with B coming before BA, BM, and BV. Fun fact, most librarians quietly sing the alphabet song when finding books. All of the books with a subject line that starts with an H come after the D books and before the R books. The second line is the topic line. This number corresponds to a subtopic, and numbers are placed in order from smallest number to largest number. In this example, you would find books in order as follows: 15, 18.7, 20, 56.3. The third line in an LC call number includes both letters and numbers. The technical name for the third line is the cutter. If the top two lines are the same subject and subtopic, then you will find books based on the cutter. When looking at the cutter, first focus on the letter and ignore the numbers. Books with matching subjects and topics will be organized alphabetically by cutter letter, A, B, C, etc. If multiple books have the same cutter letter, they will be organized using the numbers that follow the letter. These numbers are written as decimal numbers, meaning you read each digit left to right. So for example, you would find point A3 before point A6, but also you would find point A349 and point A45 all before point A6, smaller decimals before bigger decimals. Some books may have two cutters. Remember, go line by line, top to bottom. The second cutter works the same as the first, letters, then numbers. The final line of a call number is the date of publication. If we own multiple editions of the same book, the older works will be on the left and the newer editions will be on the right. For example, 2003 comes before 2016. We hope this helps you understand the Library of Congress call numbers we use at the Brandel Library. Remember, you can always ask us questions. Good luck with your studies.